is what's going on with this wind. There's no, there's a lot of ash, I think, in the air right now. You can see it over in the distance there. You can see it floating in the air, and you can taste it. It gets in your eye too. And we're, who knows how far away from these fires. It's just insane. It is crazy. I can't imagine what these people are going through way up north in Sonoma County and the tick fire.